Well, hello there. Today, we're gonna do a pretty fun makeup look. I'm not exactly sure what yet, but it's gonna be fun. So today, I come to you barefaced, not for long, but only because we are going to be playing with this. You guys kind of already know what it looks like. It comes with the film, has all the colors, and then they correlate. It is very beautiful. I am super excited about using most of these colors here. Ooh, don't want to swatch. I feel like everyone's swatched. There's been some drama about this one. I think that one's skip. Bruh. So this video is going to be a little bit different. Literally, I'm not going to cut out anything, okay? It's going to be sped up a little bit, but you're going to see basically kind of like a time lapse of me doing my makeup. I feel like I do my best makeup when I am listening to music, hanging out, chilling, vibing, just... If you want to slow it down, there's a way to do that. Feel free to Google it because I can't tell you. But we're just going to sit here, do our makeup together. It's going to be therapeutic. It's going to be fun. And then I'll come back at the end to talk to you. But before we get to that, I'm going to need you to subscribe. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? I don't know why you haven't done it already. We're gonna do it. We're just gonna do it right now. So now that you've done it, why not just like this video? Why not just like the video? And then while you're at it, why not just follow me on my Instagrams here and here? Why not? But right now, let's get on to the look. I took a risk. I did take a risk by putting the white liner in, but I am so glad I did it. Ooh, should I highlight? Actually, should I highlight? Yeah, I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use Chasing the Sun by Desi and Katie. I cannot stop staring at this. It looks so pretty. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to find somewhere to go because this can't go unseen. This is so freaking pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks so good. Sorry. I absolutely love this palette, this look. Oh, how it came out. Ooh. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. But before you leave, subscribe. I think it's here. Here's. It's red. It's red and it looks like this. Please subscribe, like this video, comment below if you have the palette. What are your favorite colors? Let me know. This look will be on Instagram, so follow me here to see it. Okay? And also follow me here just to see what I do in real, just to see what I'm doing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one.